What's up guys, this is Mike from Terrestrial Imaging, and in this video I'm pleased to introduce the DY5 charger for the Yuneec H520. So for those of you who have been flying with multiple batteries, we finally have a quick charging solution for you. So before I show you how to use this charger, I just want you to know three things. So one, this charger is intended for the H520 high voltage batteries, and those batteries only. So if you look at the charging ports, you'll notice that they match up with the ends of these batteries. They will not work with any other batteries. So if you have a Yuneec Typhoon H and you have those batteries and they look similar, they're not going to work. They're different batteries. So that's the first thing I want you to know. The second thing I want you to know about the Yuneec DY5 charger is that it's capable of charging two batteries. It can charge them, it could put them into storage mode, and it's very, very easy to use. So you basically just plug it in, the display comes on, and you put it in a battery, and you either A, charge it, or B, put it in storage mode. So again, capable of charging two or one, storage mode, and charging, and very easy to use. So the third and last thing I want you to know about the Yuneec DY5 charger is that it's currently available from Terrestrial Imaging. So if you're looking for a faster charging solution, or you're looking to get an H520, these are out now and ready to ship. So you could visit us on the web, find it on our store, or give us a call and someone can help you place an order. So real quick, I'm going to show you how to use the Yuneec DY5 charger with the Yuneec H520 high voltage batteries. So first thing we got to do is plug it in. So we got a power cable with it, and this power cable just goes right from the charger to the wall, real simple. So there's no on-off switch. Once you plug this cable in, it's going to turn on and you're going to see the two displays light up. And so on this charger, you have the two ports, you have the corresponding displays and the corresponding buttons. There's only two buttons, one for each port. And so real simply, if you want to do something with your battery, you got to put it in first. And once we put it in, it'll display how much voltage is in each cell, what percentage it's at. And so for this one, you're at about 55%. And so real simple, guys, just to charge it, you gotta hit the button once, and that's it. Now it's gonna start charging. All right, so again, this is a dual charger, so I could put another battery in it. And so I'm gonna take this one right here, put it in. And so you'll see on the display, it's actually at about 97% charged. So I'm gonna pretend that I'm not gonna be using this battery for a while, and I'm gonna put it in storage mode. So real simple, just a little bit different than the charging. You press and hold the button. And in a little bit, there we go. And now it's in storage mode. And so that's it, guys. Charging, storage mode, two batteries, real simple. That's it, guys. That's the Yuneec DY5 charger. Again, very simple to use. That's why I love it so much. So if you're someone looking for continuous flight, you might want to get one of these or even two. You can charge up to 4 batteries if you have 2. And again, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and visit us on the web at www.terrestrialimaging.com.